Hi everyone. I've taught at universities in Japan for many years now. I've found that most Japanese students do not know how to format an essay. This is one way that you can do it. Many students don't know about how to indent, write a title, and where to write your name and student number. So please look at the following movie review of Titanic. So you don't have to do it exactly like this, but I think a lot of your teachers will like it. Note the title, also my name and student number on the right hand side, and each paragraph is indented a few spaces. Also, I've left a few spaces between each paragraph so your teacher can write notes, make comments if they want to. Some teachers may want you to double space every line, but for me as a teacher this is fine. But many of my students don't write a title, some don't even write their names, and hardly any ever indent a paragraph. So I wanted to make this video. Here's a brief Japanese translation about some of the things talked about in the video. So indenting a paragraph, you need to write a title at the top, middle of the page. You don't need your title 2 times, just 1 time is okay. And always write your name and student number on everything you submit, even if it's online or wherever. Your teacher is dealing with many people, so make sure you do that. Thank you for watching.